Alors, bonjour des étudiants, bienvenue sur la chaîne de YouTube Frank Gym. Hello students, welcome to Frank Gym. In today's session, we are going to learn the country and nationality. Now, in French, both country and nationality are divided into male and female. Okay, so country is known as pays. Pays. Okay, nationality is known as nationalité. Okay, for male it is masculin and for female it is féminin. Okay, now in the last session we also did quelle est votre nationalité, what is your nationality. So whenever we talk about nationality we always use être verb. Okay, now nationality, country, everything is divided into male and female. So a male will say je suis indien. Okay, a female will say je suis indienne. Okay, double ne for female, so I will say je suis indienne. Okay, if you have to say Joseph, for he is Indian. Okay, il est indien. Okay, elle est indienne, she is Indian. Okay, Josephine is Indian. Okay, now there is a group of boys or group of boys and girls. Okay, ils sont indiens. Ils sont indiens. Okay, and when there is a group of girls, elles sont indiennes. Elles sont indiennes. So we will put es, and for male we will put s. Okay, so hence I have put s in bracket here. Okay, and for femina s in the bracket. Okay, if you are in France and someone is talking to you, you are from which country? Okay, vous venez de quel pays? Okay, so you will make sentence with je viens de. Okay, and then your country. Okay, pays, country, nationalité, nationality. Okay, nationality is divided into male and female. Okay, l'un d'eux, l'un d'eux. Okay, indien, indienne. Okay, so you will say if you are Indian, so you will say je viens de l'Inde. Je viens de l'apostrophe. Je viens de l'Inde. Okay, and a boy, a male will say je suis indien, a female will say je suis indienne. Okay, so for the nationality we will say je suis. Okay, and to say your country, your origin, je viens de, and then your country. Okay, l'Inde, indien, indienne. Okay, okay, la France. Okay, so if you have to say I come from France, je viens de la France. Okay, je suis français, je suis française. La Belgique, belge, belge. Okay, it is same in male and female. Les Émirats arabes unis, UAE. Okay, Émirien, Émirienne. Okay, so if you have to say Joseph is from UAE. Okay, so il est émirien. Yes, Josephine is from UAE. Elle est émirienne. Okay, la Suisse, Switzerland. Suisse, Suisse. Okay, same. L'Angleterre, England. Okay, anglais, anglaise. L'Italie, okay, Italy. L'Italie, Italy. Italien, italienne. L'espagnol, espagnol, espagnol. So you can see we have added e. Okay, for female we always add e in the end. Okay, le Danemark, Denmark. Danois, danoise. Okay. La Suède, Sweden. La Suède, Sweden. Suédois, suédoise. Okay. Les États-Unis, America. Okay. America, américaine. Okay. So if you are from America, you will say je suis américain. Okay. And a girl will say je suis américaine. Okay. If you are from if you are from America, je viens de l'États-Unis. If you have to say your country. Ça va? Ok, continue. Le Canada. Ok, Canada. Canada is male. Ok, Canadien, Canadienne. Ok, so you will make sentence like je suis Canadien. A female will say je suis Canadienne. Ok, ok. Le Mexique. Mexicain, Mexicaine. Mexico. La Russie. Ok, Russe, Russe. Ok, Russia. La Chine, China, chinois, chinoise. Okay. Le Japon, Japan, japonais, japonaise. The Saudi Arabia, l'Arabie Saoudite. Okay. Saudi Arabia, saoudien, saoudienne. Okay. L'Australie, Australia, australien, australienne. Le Koweït, ok, Koweït, Koweïtien, Koweïtienne, ok. L'Iran, Iranien, Iranienne, ok. La Jordanie, ok, Jordan, Jordanien, Jordanienne, ok. Ok, l'Allemagne, Germany, l'Allemagne, Germany, allemande, allemande. Okay, so we have added e for femina. So in move for femina, we will add e in the end. Okay, for Andean, double ne. Okay, American, ne. Okay, double ne. So in this way, we will say our nationality and our country of origin in French. Okay, I come from India. Je viens de l'Inde. I come from France. Je viens de la France. What is your nationality? If you are a male, quelle est votre nationalité? Je suis indien. Okay, a male will say je suis indien. Female will say je suis indienne. If you have any doubts, don't forget to ask me in the comment section. Do like, share, and subscribe to Friend Gem. Au revoir. Bonne journée. Bye bye. See you soon.